Hey everyone, how y'all doing? I just did a quick update, or I'm going to give you a quick update on what I just did on the layout. I put this retaining wall in. It was cardboard with the same paper looking rock on it, retaining wall rock, but it just wasn't holding in place very well, so I figured I'd use plastic. So I'm going to post a video showing you the back side, the front side, and now it's installed using T-pins. I'm also going to provide a video of what you could do in a small room, an 11 foot by 11 foot room that we're building a model railroad for a friend, Mo. So I'll show you a quick video of that. It's a double deck layout with a helix, and it's going to really be nice when we get it done. So just thought I'd give you a quick update, and we'll, go from here. I'll try and post more often, but hard to do with life and everything. So anyway, take care, everyone. So I'm getting the retaining wall that goes along Penn Central and York together. So I finally got all the sections put in. Here's what it looks like from the back side. Now I'll show you the other side shortly. So here's the other side of the retaining wall. Put the paper on. Hopefully it'll stick. It's a 3M, removable stuff, but looks like it's going to work out pretty well. Anyway, now I'll show you what it looks like when I get it in place. Well, here's the retaining wall sort of in place. I'm going to put drywall compound up on top here and make it look like a concrete top. So, unfortunately, the edge of the layout was kind of wasn't straight per se, so I had to use these T-pins to hold things in place while the caulk dries. I use caulk to glue it in. So I think it looks fine. It'll look even better once I get the concrete taken care of. So that's where the Penn Central disappears underneath the peninsula there. So tomorrow, I think this is going to look pretty good and glued in place, and then I can start putting the joint compound or whatever I decide to use for the top. Then I can paint that concrete color. And that piece fell off, so I'll get that back on once everything dries. So there's kind of the retaining wall. And we'll continue from here. I just wanted to give you a little short update of what I was doing. So anyway, take care.
We could. Everything extra, it's gone, but we're still losing altitude. Another 150 pounds should do it. I need to fly the plane, so I'm going to ask one of you guys to volunteer, and so the other three will be all right. And 4 guys look at each other. And then he gets up, he goes to the door, kicks it open, says, "Long live the Queen," and jumps off. A few minutes later, the pilot comes back on. Says, "Guys, I'm sorry, but it didn't quite do it." I'm sure if one more guy makes the sacrifice, the other two will make it. And they look at each other. The Frenchman gets up, goes to the door, kicks it open, and says, "Vive la France!" Jumps off. A few minutes later, the pilot comes on and goes, "Guys, I'm really sorry, but I guarantee another 100 pounds will do it when you guys want to make the sacrifice." The 2 guys look at each other. The Texan gets up, goes to the door, kicks it open, says, "Remember the Alamo," and throws off the Mexican.
I knew that was coming.